Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about Cash App Change Cashtag tutorial. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your cash tag on Cash App step by step. Your cash tag is like your personal username on Cash App. It's how people send you money, so it's a good idea to keep it clear, memorable, and something you are comfortable sharing. Now, before we jump in, just heads up, you can only change cash tag twice, so make sure you're happy with the new one before you confirm. To start, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon on the top. Once you are in your account settings, you will see your current cash tag. Tap it and you will be able to edit it. Type in your new cash tag. It must be unique and follow Cash App's guidelines. That means no spaces, special characters, except the dollar sign, and it has to be at least one letter and one number. Once you find one that's available, tap to confirm, and that's it. Your cash tag is now updated. Keep in mind, if you have used your old cash tag on business cards, website, or anywhere else, be sure to update those so people can still reach you. Also, your old cash tag will become inactive. People won't be able to send you money through it anymore. So take a second to double check that your new tag is something you will stick with for a while. And that's all for today's tutorial. Quick, simple, and now your Cash App identity is refreshed. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and to get notified, please don't forget to ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.